Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I do apologize for the serious delay in putting out videos. I unfortunately was diagnosed with COVID right after Christmas, and I have been grappling with long COVID symptoms and trying to juggle being a mom and doing my own business. I just really didn't have the energy to focus on YouTube, and I really apologize for ignoring you guys. I'm working on trying to figure out the community tab so that I can notify you guys when things like this come up again, though hopefully I won't be getting COVID again. That being said, we're not here to discuss COVID. We are here to do a video that I had some questions on via my Instagram page. If you're interested in checking that out, that I will be working on again now that I'm doing more videos. The link will be down in the description box below. But I've had people ask from my Packing Your Order Up video about the thank you bags. I have two different styles. I have ones with bow tie bows, and most recently I have started doing the mini pinwheels. As you can see here, these are 3-inch pinwheels. So we will be packing some with 3-inch pinwheels in them. I have a whole ton of the bow tie bows, so we're not packing those. But as you can see, we've got 2 bows. You are also going to need baggies. These are 3x5 baggies that have a little Ziploc closure. If you're just starting out and you don't want to buy them in bulk, you can get them at Walmart pretty cheap. I will link those down below. But it's just a little 3x5 Ziploc bag. You will also need your business cards. I use tons of these. You will need thank you stickers. I was gifted these ones, so I cannot put the link down for these exact ones, but I will link comparable ones from Amazon that I found. And then you're also going to need something to put in along with it. I use stickers. I know there are some bow makers who do use candy. I prefer not to use candy because you never know what people are allergic to. These I get in 4 sheets. There's 96 stickers total at Dollar Tree, so they're about $1, $1.25 each pack. And then I cut them down into little squares of 4. They're just a little thank you along with the bow for my customers who make a purchase. And these bags, I put in one with every order. So just really quickly to show you what goes into them. You open up the bag, stick your business card in. I then flip mine around and I put the stickers in the back. Oop, there we go. I put my stickers in the back like that. Push them all the way down to the bottom of the bag. Flip over. And these bows sometimes take a little finagling to get into the bag, because they're 3 inches wide and this is a 3-inch bag. So the fit is a little tight up at the top. But once you get it down into there, it's fine. I have a tutorial for the larger pinwheels, but if you are interested in seeing one for these small ones, please let me know. They are a great scrap buster. I'm planning on doing a video on ribbon scraps, how to store them, what to do with them project-wise to use some of them up. But I did a bunch of these over the past couple of days using some of the scraps. So once the bag is done, I take the thank you sticker and then just place it right on the bag, and there you go. The bag is done and it is ready to put aside for putting into an order. I have a bunch of bins up on my desk. You can't see them because they're back that way. I got them at Harbor Freight. They are from a brand called Storehouse. They are large clear stacking bins. I have about 4 of them with my packing supplies, like cello bags, thank you bags, things like that that are over there. I keep it up on my desk just so that when I'm going to pack an order, I can grab something out of it and stick it in with the order. And honestly, it's just really easy to put these bags together. They're a nice little thank you to your customers when they place an order with you, just to include something small in it. And like I said, this is a great way to use up your scraps so that you're not wasting any ribbon, because face it, as bow makers, we know ribbon can get quite pricey. And this is a great way to use up your scraps, and also a great way to thank your customers. I have a video for the bow tie bows already uploaded. I will link that down below. And as I said, I will do links for the products or similar products that I use in the description box below. If you have any questions or comments or even video suggestions, please feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. You can also reach me on the Instagram page, which is linked in the description box. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more of packaging videos, click the like button. Feel free to share this if you think somebody would be could use this. If you think somebody could use this video. And if you are not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button. Join the bow family. I will hopefully be getting back to regular uploads, but this is the first one back since I've been sick, and I appreciate the wait from all of you and the new subscribers who subscribed during my absence. But again, this is just how I do my thank you bags. Quick, simple, easy, and like I said, it's a great way to use up your scraps. My next video should be on how I store my scraps, as well as a couple of scrap busting ideas, so make sure to tune in for that. Thank you guys for watching this video, and have a wonderful day. Bye.